loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Iamsaekomarley. I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into the video. Today's video I'll be showing you guys my first time trying the Indian Healing Clay Mask. It's supposed to have deep cleansing for your hair or your face. You can use it on your skin as well. It's 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, and you can go ahead and mix it with water or apple cider vinegar. I went ahead and tried it with apple cider vinegar. I used the brand Bragg, and it's organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. And if you're doing this yourself, make sure that you do not use metal. You're not supposed to use metal with this clay at all. So I'll be using a paper plate, a little paper bowl, and a plastic spoon to mix it all up. And I'm doing this on, I want to say this is like day 5 hair, day 5, 6 hair. And I really wanted to see how can this clay mask transform my hair. So this is what my hair usually looks like when I continue to put it in high puffs. And yeah, I don't really add that much moisture to my hair throughout the week. It gets like this, and it's super painful to detangle. And I tried to speed it up for you guys just so that you can see my detangling process, but not keep that the main focus of the video. Whenever I detangle, I like to separate my hair into 4 sections, because when I section off my hair with my hands, it's easier for me to go ahead and work per section. And as you can see, I'm only using my hands here. And once I feel like my hair is detangled enough with my hands, I'll use a brush or a pick just to go through the ends and make sure that there's no tangle at all in that section of hair. I'll use the pick and I'll use the brush. Then I'll add more moisture, and it's really just a process of me going back and forth between the brush, the pick, and water. And I just want to make sure that my hair gets all the moisture that it can before I add any product to it. So this is my hair when it's, for the most part, moisturized. I want to say that took me a good 5 minutes for that one section there. Here is some real-time footage. As you can see, I'm not too rough. I like to be really gentle with my hair and examine it. And I just want to make sure that it's smooth and wet before adding any product. So I went ahead and took off my jewelry because I could already tell this was about to get messy. While I'm doing that, make sure you guys take a second to go press that subscribe button if you haven't already. And here is a new detangling brush that I got. The brand is Swissgo, and I picked this up at Target. And I detangled this one section and added the Aztec Clay Mask to it. And as you can see, I already have it all over my shirt, all over my neck, everywhere. It's super messy. And after doing that first braid, I realized that the time won't add up because my hair takes so long to detangle. That first braid will be dry and crusty by the time I get to the other side of my head. So I decided to detangle all my hair first because that would be easier. And then I'll go ahead and go in with the clay mask once my hair has been fully detangled. So again, I just go between water, finger detangling, and brushing. And I take my time and I make sure I massage that water into my hair strands, into my roots. Once I use the brush, that's me checking to see that there's no tangles from root to ends. And that's the amount of breakage that I had from that one section. And once I'm done detangling, I'll just twist my hair up since I'm gonna have to untwist it to add the mask in. And now that I've completely detangled my hair, I'll go in with the clay mask. And my consistency was more on the watery side, but I did have to go ahead and make some more of it because I had ran out when I was like almost done. I did not measure any of the ingredients at all. I just kind of eyeballed it and watched for the consistency. The clay mask definitely brought my curl pattern back really quickly, considering that I have not washed my hair yet. Around this time, I had made a second little batch because I had ran out and I only had about like one or two braids left. So the consistency of that one was actually thicker than when I first started, and I actually like the thicker consistency better, but I didn't know this was my first time trying it. So if I do happen to try this again with the water, I will definitely be doing a thicker consistency. Each section that I added the mixture to, I'll just braid it up and I let my hair sit for about 15 minutes and then I rinsed. This is all the breakage from my hair from that quick little detangling session. I don't really lose that much hair anymore. I used to when I had first started transitioning my hair. I stopped perming and decided I wanted to go natural and I wanted to do the big chop. but I was not ready to do it until I seen some new growth. And around that time, I had a lot of breakage. My hair was falling out as my new growth was coming in. But nowadays, I don't have that much breakage. And I rinsed out the clay mask at this point. My hair feels really thick. My curls are defined. They're pretty much all clumped together. This is my hair, just rinsing out the clay mask. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some conditioner to my hair. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see me try any other product, anything else you guys would like to see. Leave it down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.